In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Trading 212 account. By the end, you'll know exactly what to do, in what order, and how to avoid the common roadblocks that stop the Close Account button from working. Before we jump into the app, there's one crucial prerequisite. Your account has to be completely clear. That means closing every open trade, selling all your remaining stocks or positions, and withdrawing all available cash. Think of it like tidying up your portfolio so there's nothing left to manage. If even one position is still open or there's any money sitting in your balance, the Close Account option may be unavailable or grayed out. Take a moment to double-check everything is closed and your withdrawal has fully completed. If a sell order is still pending or a recent sale hasn't settled yet, give it a little time before trying again. Once your account is fully cleared, open the Trading 212 app. On the main screen, tap the menu icon. From there, head into Settings. Inside Settings, select My Account and then tap on Account Details. You'll see the option to close account. Go ahead and choose that. The app will ask you to confirm your choice. Read the prompt carefully and when you're ready, confirm to proceed. After you confirm, your account will be deactivated. That means you won't be able to place trades or use the account going forward. If you still see the account active, it usually just needs a moment to update. In most cases, the process is quick once the account is empty. If you happen to notice the Close Account option isn't appearing, that's almost always a sign that something remains in the account, like a small leftover balance, a fractional share, or a position you thought you sold but didn't. Go back, review your holdings, and make sure everything is truly at zero. A couple of final tips to ensure a smooth experience. Verify that your withdrawal has fully landed in your bank or funding source before trying to close the account. If you sold positions today, allow settlement to complete so the cash becomes withdrawable, and check for any pending orders you might have scheduled. Clearing these small details helps the Close Account button appear right away. That's all there is to it. Clear your trades, sell your positions, withdraw your funds, then go to Menu, Settings, My Account, Account Details, choose Close Account, and confirm. Follow these steps in order, and your Trading 212 account will be closed without any hassle. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough made the process straightforward and stress-free.